Here's the disconnect. 79% of companies are deploying AI agents. Only 15% will let them run without human oversight. That's from a Gartner survey of 360 IT application leaders published September 30th. The gap tells you everything about where autonomous AI actually stands versus where the hype says it should be. The numbers get worse when you look at the details. Less than 20% of IT leaders believe their vendors can protect against AI hallucinations. Only 13% think their organization has the right governance in place to manage AI agents. Nearly three-quarters see AI agents as a new attack vector. This matters because vendors are pushing hard the other direction. Every major tech company launched agentic AI products in 2025. Salesforce has Agentforce. Microsoft pushes Copilot everywhere. OpenAI released Operator. The message: autonomous agents will transform work. McKinsey research shows why companies aren't buying it. Nearly 80% of enterprises use generative AI now, but 80% also report no significant bottom-line impact. McKinsey calls it the Gen AI paradox. Companies deploy horizontal tools like chatbots that scale quickly but deliver diffuse gains. Meanwhile, 90% of function-specific AI projects that could actually transform operations stay stuck in pilot mode. MIT's NANDA initiative published even harder numbers in August. About 5% of enterprise AI pilots achieve rapid revenue acceleration. The rest stall. The research covered 150 interviews with leaders, a survey of 350 employees, and analysis of 300 public AI deployments. The trust problem has roots in vendor behavior. Max Goss, senior director analyst at Gartner, said vendors are repeatedly changing their branding, costing models and product offerings. The fact that many vendors release new AI tools before the governance and security capabilities to protect them isn't helping. Companies that do deploy AI agents see real problems. PagerDuty surveyed 1,500 IT and business executives across 6 countries. While 81% of executives now trust AI to manage crises like security breaches, 84% have already experienced AI-related outages. That's a massive gap between confidence and reality. Among organizations that deployed multiple AI agents, 79% believe AI-driven complexity will exceed their management capabilities. That number drops to 57% among companies without AI agents. Experience with the technology reduces confidence, not increases it. Gartner predicts over 40% of agentic AI projects will be canceled by end of 2027. The reasons: escalating costs, unclear business value, inadequate risk controls. Many vendors engage in agent washing, rebranding existing products like chatbots and RPA without substantial agentic capabilities. Here's what works. Companies that buy specialized AI tools from vendors succeed about 67% of the time. Companies that build internally succeed only 1/3 as often. The ROI shows up in back-office automation, not sales and marketing where most budgets go. PwC surveyed 300 executives in May 2025. Among companies adopting AI agents, 66% say they deliver measurable value through increased productivity. But most are using embedded agentic features in enterprise apps for routine tasks. It boosts productivity without transforming operations. Only 14% of IT leaders surveyed by Gartner were confident their organization had consensus about what problems AI will solve. Without alignment between IT, business units, and executives, AI deployments fail. Design lesson: the problem isn't the technology. It's the gap between what AI agents can reliably do and what organizations need them to do. Most enterprises aren't agent-ready. They lack the APIs, the data infrastructure, the governance frameworks, and the risk controls. Deploying autonomous AI into that environment creates more problems than it solves. The winning approach: start with low to medium complexity use cases, repetitive tasks that require some domain knowledge but not complex decision-making. Customer support ticket routing, appointment scheduling, document processing. Build confidence and experience before attempting full autonomy. CIO Dive, September 30th, 2025, Meidai Kinsey, June 13th, 2025, MIT NANDA Report, August 2025, PagerDuty Survey, September 24th, 2025, Gartner Prediction, June 25th, 2025, The Pattern Across Autonomy. The AI agent trust gap mirrors what we see in physical autonomy. Waymo operates commercial robotaxis in 5 cities. Tesla launched robotaxi service in Austin with safety drivers still in the vehicle. Amazon's warehouse robots work because the environment is controlled. Mightyfly's $50 million healthcare drone deal works because the routes are fixed and the use case is narrow. Autonomy succeeds when the operating environment is constrained, the failure modes are understood, and the governance is in place. It fails when organizations try to deploy it everywhere at once without the infrastructure to support it. The same companies rushing to deploy AI agents are the ones that haven't figured out how to measure AI productivity gains. They're building on unstable foundations. The difference between 2025 and 5 years ago, we now have enough real deployments to see the pattern. Autonomous systems work in narrow domains with clear constraints. They struggle in open-ended environments where edge cases multiply. That's the reality behind the hype. Companies are deploying AI agents because they feel they have to, but they're not letting them run autonomously because they know what happens when complex systems fail without guardrails. Forward this to someone building AI systems or managing enterprise tech.